Hi, you guys. So today we're going to be discussing the distribution of wealth in the United States and the effects that it have on, us as people. And for those of you who do not know exactly what that is, the wealth distribution is exactly what it says: distributing and dividing the wealth amongst the nation. And we are specifically talking about the United States of America. Here's a little poll that I found on the internet. It's basically discussing the views on distribution of wealth in the United States. And it's, different individuals, different groups, and how they feel about it and things of that nature. So me personally, I am discussing the conservatives and the liberals on this viewpoint. 48% of the conservatives feel as though that the distribution of wealth is being done fairly, whereas only 13% of the liberals feel that way. Now you have 42% of conservatives that feel as though it is not being done fairly, but you have 85% of the liberals who also agree. Now, after reading an article done by Louis Woodhill, I've discovered the 5 factors in what is causing this uneven distribution in wealth. The first factor is the monetary instability raising the cost of capital. Then you have a larger share of the gross domestic product going to capital versus labor. For example, in the 1950s and 60s, wages commanded about 51% of GDP, whereas in 2012, it dropped down to 44%. In response to that, in the 50s and 60s, corporate GDP percentages went from 6% to almost 11% in 2012. Due to all of that, the cost of capital has risen, and it's paying those who manage the capital costs in the United States more money. And that aspect alone squeezes the life out of the middle class wage income. Then you have a few companies that go about creating their own monetary policy, and these policies are usually very risky and extremely costly. And lastly, inflation is constantly rising due to monetary instability. I've also discovered after reading this article that there are many people being considered middle class this day and age, whereas there used to be a true definition of separation. The middle class now ranges from people that make $20,000 a year to people that make $200,000 a year. See the difference? And this chart is pretty much self-explanatory. It's basically letting us know that the rich keeps getting richer and the middle class can never make it out of the middle class. Now, the conservatives are usually the people that believe in keeping the rich richer. They believe that it's being distributed fairly because it allows individuals with higher learning and education to jump into this world and this new specialized economy. They also see the positivity in it because the wage gap has decreased between men and women, as well as blacks and whites in the United States. Their idea is that as long as individuals have the opportunity to advance in life and do better than their parents, then the system is working. I've also come to notice that conservatives are believing that middle-class individuals are bringing more of a burden financially on themselves by themselves. They believe that the lower income and lower middle-class families are trying to keep up with those higher-class families, putting themselves in constant and continuous debt. This image is basically saying what the land would be like if we were divided amongst wealth, and it's pretty much self-explanatory. Liberals feel like those in higher classes, that 1%, is getting fed a larger pie of the wages, keeping the middle class and the lower class individuals constantly down. They also feel as though that 1% is using their money to influence political candidates to keep them making more money. With those individuals having such an effect on what goes on in the political world, it creates a cyclical loop of money coming in for that 1%. And in responding to the conservatives feeling as though the middle class is keeping themselves down, it's simply because parents in the middle class families are trying to provide their children with better opportunities to make it out of the middle class. But due to things being so costly and inflation constantly rising, it's nearly impossible to do, which keeps them steadily in debt. Now, after knowing what you know, do you consider your viewpoints conservative or liberal? How do you feel about the topic?